is open enrollment season, and just in time for this important season to make decisions about your health care, a recent study reveals just how important competitive health benefits are to employees. Joining us today is financial expert Winnie Sun, also known as the Wealth Whisperer, to share details of the most recent Aflac Workforces Report. Welcome, Winnie.
Thank you so much for having me, Laura.
Now, Winnie, why is choosing the right healthcare plan a key to financial health?
Well, we got to start and talk about inflation. I think we can all agree that we felt the pinch and rise of cost of goods and services. I know you're in beautiful San Diego, and prices of everyday things like food, clothing, travel, even housing, gas, right? Everything's been huge. And if you've been following the news, you know we've been experiencing year-to-year price hikes, and this certainly has included healthcare as well. Premiums, deductibles have been on the rise, and even the services covered by many health insurance plans have gone up. The 2023 Aflac Workforces Report showed that employers have been impacted by inflation, and this includes impacting what businesses can do to offer their employees today. So this year, it's more important than ever for us to take time and to be smart shoppers.
Now, can you break down some of the highlights of this year's Aflac study that examined benefit trends and attitudes?
Sure, Laura. Topping the list is employee retention. The study uncovered that more than half, at 53% of employees, are at least somewhat likely to accept a better position with lower pay if it includes better benefits.
Now, is there one area of coverage that is top of mind for employees?
Definitely. Survey responses actually continue to highlight that mental health and well-being as top concerns among employees. Employees want to know that their employers care about them and their well-being, and also to provide resources to stay ahead of burnout. In fact, 57% of those surveys say that they're experiencing at least moderate levels of burnout, and one of the biggest being workplace stress. In fact, the overwhelming majority, a whopping 83% of employees who report high levels of work stress also face other mental health challenges over the past year, including anxiety, depression, and even trouble sleeping.
And in what areas are employees and employers not seeing eye to eye?
Well, Laura, the quick answer is satisfaction and understanding. According to the Aflac study, 78% of employers believe that their employees are highly satisfied with their benefits, compared to only 59% of employees who say they are. 79% of employers think employees understand benefits costs well, while fewer than half of employees say they actually do.
And are there solutions that you can suggest to help with insurance coverage?
Yes, supplemental insurance like plans Aflac offers can really help fulfill a need when you consider that half of those surveys said they aren't able to afford more than $1,000 in out-of-pocket medical expenses, and 1/3 said that they're actually in a worse financial position than they were a year ago. So according to the survey, the majority of employees with supplemental insurance say that these benefits provide an added layer of financial security and peace of mind, yet only 39% of employers say that they offer these supplemental insurance options.
And Winnie, where can we go to find out more?
Laura, for more information about everything we talked about and to see more data from the 2023-24 Aflac Workforces Report, you want to visit aflac.com/AWR.
Winnie, we thank you so much for sharing these valuable tips to successfully navigate this open enrollment season.
Thank you so much for having me, and enjoy your beautiful day in Southern California.
And we thank you for joining us on San Diego Living. We'll see you next time.